Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So, what is invention in a science? An invention is a unique and a novel devices, method, composition. A process invention process is a process within an overall engineering and product development. It may be in an improvement upon a machine or a product, new process for creating object or a result. An invention achieves completely unique function or a result may be radical background. Such work as a novel and not obvious to the others skilled in the same field. An inventor may be taking a big step towards success or failure. Some invention can be patent, legal protect an intellectual property right of the invention, and legal recognizes that the claim invention by is actually invention. The rules and the requirements for patenting an invention vary by country, and the process of obtaining a patent is often expensive. Any other meaning of invention is a cultural invention, which is an innovative side of useful social behaviors adopted by people and passed on to others. The institution of a social invention collected many such ideas in a magazine and a book's invention is also an important component of artistic design creatively. Invention often extend the boundaries of human knowledge, experiences, and capabilities. And the types of inventions are three kinds: scientific knowledge, socio-political, economics, and humanistic agriculture. Scientific, the technology invention include radars, aviation and vaccine, hydration, antibodies, aesthetic, holography, the atomic bombs, computing, the internal and the smartphones. And scientific technology invention, radicals, investigation, vaccines. So the process is a particularly means are ideas for an invention may be developed on a paper on a computer, by writing a drawing, by trial or error, by making models of experiments, by testing an android, by making the invention in the whole form. Bannerist also can speak new ideas for invention. Collaborative creative process are frequently used by engineers, designers, architects, and scientists. Co-inventors frequently and named on the plans. In addition, many inventor keeps records of our work processes, notebooks, photos, etc., including lamp drawn and other. In the process of developing an invention, the initial idea may change. The invention become a simpler, more practical. It may expand it. It may even morph to something totally different. Working on one invention can lead to other too. So the computational means invention is a often creative process as an seeing a new possibility, connection, or relationship can speak an invention, inventing, and the play made led to invention. Childhood curiosity, experiments, and imaginations, and see a new possibilities. So the interest them and to explore this internally drive bring about and novel creators. So the inside can also be a visual elements of invention, such interviews inside much being with quotations, double or hands. It may begin by recognizing that something unusual or academical may be useful that could open a new awareness for exploring. For example, the old medical color of plastic may be academic, and the exploration is an invention is often an exploration process when an uncertain of or unknown outcomes. There are failures as much as success. Inspiration can start the process but not matter how complete the initial ideas. Inventions typically must be developed. So the improvements are invention maybe, for example, improve something, and the implementations are these. So the purpose of an invention can serve many purposes and does not necessarily create possible value. The process might differ significantly and may change over time. An invention or its development may survive purposes never evidence by its invention. So this is all about the invention.